Hi everyone! Agnieszka here from Publitas Customer Success Team. In this episode, we'll cover how to create a video hotspot and the different options for adding it in Publitas. Videos enrich your publications and help to make them feel like online-first content. Visitors also tend to spend more time in catalogs with videos and register more page views per open. We now know some of the benefits of having videos in publications. You can add them in Publitas by either uploading the file from your device or inserting a URL from YouTube or Vimeo. Let's review these options in more detail. We'll go over the upload option first. Start off by choosing the video hotspot from the menu on the left and draw it over the desired area. Upload the file from your device. After the upload, you can choose between three appearance options. You can embed your video in the page, add it as animated content, or have the video load inside a pop-up window when the hotspot area is clicked. Choose Embed when you want the video to become part of the page content, giving visitors more control over the video, or when it lasts longer than a minute. Additional options include autoplay and loop. Let's enable autoplay and see an embedded video in a publication. Animated content works great for shorter videos. The player icons are minimalistic and the content blends well with the rest of the page. By default, videos added through this option will autoplay and load faster. Animated content is the method we recommend in most cases. This is how our video looks after switching to animated content. A small tip here, this method works great for GIFs too, as it optimizes their performance. Let's now move to the last option. If you want the content behind the video to stay visible, go for the hotspot method. The video opens in its own overlay. It's a good option for longer videos that act as supporting content to what's already on the page, such as educational or explanatory videos. Additional options include autoplay, icon, and hypertext personalization. Let's review our video, this time added as a hotspot. Moving on to our second method for adding videos, we will now insert it from a URL. Choose the video hotspot from the menu on the left and draw it over the desired area. Add the video's URL and decide between an embed or hotspot option. Let's see the video in the preview. A video added from a URL will use a third-party player and keep its look and feel. There you have it! We've gone through the steps for adding a video in Publitas. I recommend trying out the different options and deciding which one best suits your content and use case. Relevant articles from our knowledge base for extra help are linked below. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one!